Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's July 26, 2026 and well, it's going to be partly cloudy today, muggy, hot, and we could get some rain this afternoon. We really need rain, but I don't think we're going to get much, to tell you the truth. It's not looking all that promising. And today I'm going to go ahead and try and tackle the second permanent raised bed. So this is one of the permanent raised beds. Yesterday I harvested the garlic out of this bed. There's shallots at this end, a lot of weeds. And there's garlic down here. So I parked the green machine at the other end to start out today. And the goal here is to come through here and get this garlic harvested. Maybe the shallots too, if things work out. Quite a few weeds in here and all, but that's one of the things I want to do. Get this curing on the curing racks out in the sugar shack so that this job is done, and then we can address the weed issue over here as well. The rest of the plants over here, these are the black currants that I planted. These are hardwood cuttings and they've been doing great. These are from, I think, 3 plants or 4 plants that were completely covered by weeds. And speaking of weeds, yep, weeds. And so they're doing really well, the black currants. The hazelnuts are doing great. The Rose of Sharon are doing great. There's weeds in there. The IBC totes with the oaks, the black locusts, ornamental grasses, and there's some hazelnuts in there as well. As you can see, they're all doing pretty darn well. A lot of work to be done this fall. Seems like there's always something to do. Anyways, so that's what I'm going to start doing today. Back sore, but not incapacitating, so I think it helps me getting on the trike. Dia's going to get on it this morning and ride around some. You know, it's just enjoyable being on the trike to, you know, ride around some without a lot of effort, but you're actually increasing your circulation. Pretty good exercise. And when you get too tuckered out, you just kick in the pedal assist so that you're getting a higher level of battery cooperation when you're pedaling. So that's really nice. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can do this and stay functional. So here we go.
There's a fire in the distance, flickering low, a whisper in the darkness where the brave hearts go. I've walked through the silence, burdened and torn, but I still hear a voice crying out to be more. Though the road may be long and the night may be cold, there's a truth in my chest I refuse to let go. If I still believe in the power of one, in the strength to rise when the hurting's not done, if I can dream of a world where the broken can heal, where love leads the way and the hope becomes real, then I'll give it my all. I won't turn away, 'cause I wasn't made just to fade into gray. If I still believe, then I still must try. Let me live for that dream, or let me die. There are voices behind me saying settle for less, but I was born for the climb, not the comfort of rest. Let the doubters fall silent, let the shadows grow still. I've got mountains to move and a fire to fill. I may stumble and fall, I may break on the climb, but I'll rise with my scars, 'cause the dream's still mine. If I still believe in a purpose that's true, in the strength to build what's been broken into, if I can see through the dark with a soul that won't yield, then I'll carry that light like a sword and a shield. Yes, I'll give it my all. I won't live halfway, 'cause I wasn't made just to trade day by day. If I still believe, then I still must try. Let me live for that dream, or let me die. Even if no one else stands beside me, even if silence is all I can hear, I will speak with my hands, with my heart, with my soul, and I'll make that dream loud and clear. If I still believe, if there's breath in my chest, I will run toward the fire, I will give it my best. If I can dream of a world where we rise from the fall, then I'll stand for that dream till I've given it all. So I give it my all, come joy or come pain. I was born for the fight, not to live life in vain. If I still believe, then I still must try. Let me live for that dream, or let me die. If I could light a fire deep inside your soul, show you there's a purpose, make you feel whole. If I could be a whisper when the world gets loud, tell you you're enough, you can stand proud. If I could inspire you to be your very best, no matter where you're headed, east or headed west, as long as you walk kindly, leave no one behind, I'd give you my heart, my wisdom, my time. Yeah, if I could inspire you, I would. Doesn't matter if you're painting or plowing a field, fixing broken engines, or just trying to heal. You've got a gift that's only yours to share. I just wanna see you take it there. If I could inspire you to be your very best, no matter what you're chasing, just give it your best. As long as you live true and treat people right, you'll leave your mark in this world alive. Yeah, if I could inspire you, I would. I've walked the long road, made my share of mistakes, but I've learned it's not about the money you make. arms that you lift, the dreams that you chase, the love that you show, the truth that you face. If I could inspire you to be your very best, no matter where you're going, don't settle for less. If your heart's in your work and your soul's in the song, you'll find you've been right where you belong. Yeah, if I could inspire you, I would. Oh, I would. So go build your dream, take your time, take your shot. Do it with love, give it all that you've got. If I could inspire you, I already have, just by singing this to you.
Well, things went fairly well today. I was able to get the garlic and the shallots out of this other permanent raised bed. Got a lot of weeds picked up over there too. I'll end up putting those in the bucket and bringing those all out to the compost leaf mold pile there and process those. I'm going to have to get over here and do some more weeding on the other part of this where it drops off here, this permanent raised bed here. We'll see when I get to that. So all the garlic and the shallots are out in the sugar shack on the curing racks, so pretty happy with that. Then I went ahead and got on Buzz, the Kubota zero-turn mower, and mowed the second food forest, the third food forest, the front of the property up there as well. So that took several hours, so that's done. I still have another 3/4 of a day of mowing to do. As I mentioned before, I did order another Limo robotic mower, so hopefully I'll be able to get some of these other regions that I'm mowing now with Buzz automated and get the zone set. There's still more to do in each one of the zones to make it safe for the mower to work. Choppers does a great job. It's kind of amazing how well he does with the rough terrain that we have here and all. So pretty impressed with it. Anyways, I think that's about it for today's video, folks. I'm pretty much beat. Just had dinner and I said, well, I'm just going to call it quits now. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now.